lot of drama here happening outside Dilkusha Guest House on Raj Bhavan. The family of YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, in fact, sitting right on the road opposite Dilkusha Guest House, where Jagan Mohan Reddy has been arrested after the third day in questioning. As you can see there, mother of Jagan Mohan Reddy in the green sari. Next to her daughter Sharmila, and next to Sharmila, the lady in pink is pink dupatta is Jagan Mohan Reddy's wife Bharti. These are the this is a family of Jagan Mohan Reddy. Very emotional scenes. They know that media is all the cameras are on them, and this is a moment that they would like to capture and to be relayed to the world, to the people of Andhra Pradesh, because by-elections are also coming up in less than 2 weeks. 18 assembly seats and 1 Lok Sabha seat, and this is a message that they would certainly want to send across, that Jagan Mohan Reddy is in fact being victimized. That's in fact what Vijay Lakshmi told us a short while ago. She says that Jagan Mohan Reddy is being targeted and he's in fact been arrested at this particular point in time only because these by-elections are coming up to 18 assembly seats and 1 Lok Sabha seat, and she says it's because of the growing popularity of Jagan Mohan Reddy that he has been arrested today, and he is not being allowed to campaign for these very critical by-elections. Vijayamma will now become the star campaigner for the YSR party. That's what Jagan Mohan Reddy had also told us, that in case he is arrested, his mother will come out and start campaigning in full. Tomorrow, Jagan Mohan Reddy will be taken to the special CBI court where he has been summoned to appear. Even otherwise, after his arrest, he will have to be presented before that special CBI court tomorrow. With camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir in Hyderabad for NDTV.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.